Are you curious to find out what the most desirable area in Northeast Florida is? Well, stay tuned. Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of one of the best-selling master plan communities in the entire country. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea Delancy. I've been a realtor here in the Jacksonville, Northeast Florida area for over 17 years. And I'm here to help you upgrade your home and lifestyle. I post weekly videos on what it's like living in the Northeast Florida area and all things real estate. If you're exploring our area, be sure to subscribe so you can stay in the know. In today's video, I'm going to tell you more about the most popular neighborhood in Northeast Florida. Welcome to Nocatee. Ranked one of the best-selling communities in America, this coastal community is the perfect place to call home. It's located in prestigious Ponte Vedra, Florida. The zip code here is 32081. Nocatee is just minutes away from everything Jacksonville has to offer, including beautiful beaches, shopping, restaurants, golf courses, and Florida's top-ranked schools of St. Johns County. Nocatee is more than a community, it's a lifestyle. Let's go take a closer look. Nocatee was named by Newsweek as the #1 place to live in Florida, and it's no wonder it's one of the fastest selling communities in the country. The vision of Nocatee was to transform the unique setting of the land into a place with a truly exceptional quality of life, while still preserving the area's peaceful and natural beauty. Nocatee is the epitome of the Florida lifestyle and offers a wide variety of housing to suit every taste and budget, from growing families to retirees. Each neighborhood has its own individual look and feel and features homes built by some of Florida's finest home builders. The numerous builders throughout the community offer a wide variety of floor plans and styles for various needs. Pricing typically starts in the mid to upper 400s and goes to the multi-million-dollar range for custom-built homes on the Intracoastal. Nocatee offers endless choices in world-class amenities, with tranquil parks and green spaces, dog parks, tennis, a swim club. You'll find several pools and splash parks, and even a lazy river. These amenities make you feel like you're on vacation at a luxury resort. And don't forget about the state-of-the-art fitness center with a schedule of group classes and the stunning clubhouse where you can host your events. Nocatee is golf cart friendly and provides its residents with employment opportunities, shopping, schools, recreation, and beautiful homes. The Nocatee lifestyle provides a warm sense of community, complete with amazing award-winning amenities and one-of-a-kind events. Now that you've seen the Nocatee community and all the amazing amenities, let's get a sneak peek of one of the newer neighborhoods, Settlers Landing. It's the first neighborhood of its kind in Nocatee with a Tom Sawyer Island theme. Settlers Landing has homes starting in the high 400s from 5 different builders. Today we're going to tour the model by Riverside Homes. Riverside Homes is a locally owned Jacksonville home builder with a reputation for exceptional value, quality, and design. The Sawyer model in Settlers Landing at Nocatee is one of their many versatile home designs. featuring 2,900 square feet of living space with a first floor flex room suitable for a study or formal dining space. The open concept kitchen, nook, and family room flows seamlessly, great for entertaining or those intimate family gatherings. The soaring ceilings and large windows make this a bright and stunning space. The primary bedroom is conveniently located on the first floor and features a luxurious ensuite bath and walk-in closet. These modern finishes and coastal-inspired styles is a prime example of what you'll find throughout the Nocatee community. As we head to the second floor, you'll find an open loft, 4 additional bedrooms, and 2 more full baths. Riverside Homes is well known for its variety of structural and design options, allowing you to truly customize your space to meet your family's needs. And last but not least, the generous outdoor patio is the perfect spot to relax and enjoy the natural setting. All right, there you have it, guys. Thanks so much for watching today. And to stay on top of all of my weekly videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I always appreciate your comments, and I do take the time to reply. And I'll see you next time.